Your bird's feathers, skin, nails, and beak can give you telltale signs about what's happening in your bird's body, especially about their nutritional needs. The old saying, "You are what you eat," is very true and will reflect in your bird's feathers, skin, nails, and beak. Healthy birds will preen their feathers often throughout the day. Dirty feathers will not do for a bird because it affects their flight. They of course want the best looking feathers to attract a mate to. Therefore, if your bird is not interested in preening, take that as a red flag. The bird is possibly sick and needs to see a vet. Number 1. Vitamin A. Feathers will be dull and thin. Sources for vitamin A: bell peppers, broccoli, cooked sweet potatoes, spinach, carrots. Number 2. Biotin. Feather loss. Sources for biotin: eggs, banana, nuts, cooked sweet potatoes, bread. Number 3. Calcium. Feathers will be brittle and frayed. Sources for calcium: eggs, kale, spinach, broccoli, plain corn flakes. Number 4. Copper. There can be depigmentation to dark feathers. Sources for copper: sunflower seeds, almonds, spinach, sweet potatoes, mango. Number 5. Iron. Uncharacteristic color changes to feathers. Sources for iron: nuts, dried apricots, lentils, spinach. Number 6. Lysine. This will delay feather growth. You may find pigment deficiency and stress bars. Sources for lysine: dried apricots, mangoes, beets, pears, red and green peppers. Number 7. Pantothenic acid. Delayed growth of contour feathers and pigment deficiency. Sources for pantothenic acid: broccoli, eggs, whole grains, sunflower seeds. Number 8. Zinc. Thin and brittle casings of pin feathers. Sources for zinc: spinach, broccoli, kale, dry brittle feathers. Dry brittle feathers can be caused by lack of humidity in the environment. This can cause dry skin too, therefore, a humidifier will help, especially in the winter months. Dull feathers. This can be caused by lack of vitamin D3 from sunlight. Vitamin D3 is also needed for the absorption of calcium in your bird's diet. Stress bars. These are dark bands which run crosswise through the feathers. These bars can indicate either stress, dietary issues, lack of care, or it can be due to overuse of antibiotics when the feather was first forming. Stress bars are a red flag that your bird's diet, emotional health, and general care needs to be looked at and addressed accordingly. Oily feathers. Oily feathers are commonly linked to liver issues. If you notice your bird has oily feathers, see your vet straight away.